In front of me is OPPO Pad 5 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your tablet. Click on it and then select those three lines available at the top left corner. Once you do, you can click on Clean option and select Clean next to Junk Files. Last but not least, confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!